Hi, in this video I will learn how we can make something like this, that when we have a position, when we have a trade, it show us entry price, TP price and SL price. So how we can make something like this? So let's we make it. So for this, first we make an simple strategy. Let's I change background of this, or not, is okay. Yellow background, hockey background is okay. Okay, we want to make a simple strategy. For example, in 10 open in every day in 10 o'clock it open a buy position. So we can, if our is equal to 10, so strategy dot open trade strategy dot entry long, and is our ID and our direction is strategy dot long, and we say should we have not any open position, so our open trade should be 0, and we add TP and SL based on points. So here we use strategy dot exit. Our ID can be C long, it means close long. From entry, our entry ID is long. Our profit is based on this, and our loss is same. So we save it to example custom TPSL line. We add it to chart, and as you see every day on 10 and 11, because it's open on, if we add it open on, if we, so every day on 10, okay, we have a buy position with TP and SL. So how we can add entry line? Let's we define it. Var line entry line. Also we need a label, entry label. So this can be our TP line, and this one can be our SL line. TP label and TP and SL label. Okay, so label should be this. Okay, we're updating to chart to see does we have any problem or not. There is no error. Okay, so we need to have our entry price. Okay, this price when we have a buy position, what is our price? So for entry price we use this strategy dot open trades dot entry price to get last entry price. We write this inside parentheses. Yeah, okay, it's fine. So here we here we write entry line that new first point bar index, second is entry price, then bar index plus. So have a len of I want to make changeable len of lines, so I write len input dot int len and then entry price. Okay, as you see, we have not anything. Why we have not anything? Because in historical chart, in live chart, we should on every tick we should enable this, but for historical chart it just run code. Our code just run one time for every candle. Okay, so it just running one time for every candle. So I think that's why we have not here any entry line. So because here is our entry price, but here there is our entry. Okay, no, here we have not any entry. Here open position, here we have an opening position. And best way is we define a counter. Var counter is 0. Here we say counter is 1. Here in above that we say if counter is 1, reassign counter to 0, and then we move this to here and we update it on chart. So now we have line, as you see here. Okay, we have line, and here I can check it to, I can change color to color dot maybe gray. Yeah, gray is good, fine. Yeah, here. So, and here we can change len of this line. This time we can change 10 to 100. So we have a tall line. We can change to 5. We can change to 10 is best. Yeah. Okay. So we write same for TP line. Oh no. First, we do another thing. We write also for entry label. To get, we want to write here. Okay, we want to write here our label, so we write label that new. What is our first point? Is our bar index, but this bar index, not this bar index, not entry bar index. So we say here entry price that get entry price, entry line that get x2, okay, and our y is entry line that get y2, and our text is entry and plus str that to string value is our entry price. We update it to chart. Update it on chart. As you see here is our entry price, but we can change a style of this. We change a style to label that style left, as you see now is really better, okay, and also we change color. Okay, so this is our entry, okay, this is our entry as you see here. So let's write it for TP. So we copy from it right here, just we write TP line and entry price plus, okay, TP SL multiply semin for that min tick. Why I wrote this? Because our profit is this, and here so it calculated on tick. If you calculate on percentage, so you should write here, you write this based on percentage, okay, and color to green. For label I change entry to TP label and TP line instead, entry line, and here also TP, and this can be here. So I up, and color should be green. I update it to chart. So as you see, this is our TP. If I change, for example, TP to 200, it will go higher, okay, it will go higher as you see. It's not here, okay. So this is our TP. Let's write SL2. For SL, just I change plus to minus, okay, because we have a long position, so our SL should be less than our entry. And for SL label, and just color to color to red, dark red is better. Okay, as you see here we have SL, and here it hit our SL. Okay, if I increase this to 25, you can, here is our SL, here as entry and here TP. Okay, so you know now that how you can write something like this. Here I show you completed code to how to get an screenshot and give it to ChatGPT so it give you completed code. Okay, just take an screenshot and tell to ChatGPT give code of this picture. Okay, it will give it to you.